Pricing for electrical services can vary depending on factors such as location, complexity, and experience. However, here are some general price ranges for common electrical services to help you get started. A new 20-amp single-pole dishwasher circuit typically costs between $75 and $100. A new 20-amp single-pole disposal circuit with a switch typically costs between $90 and $120. Upgrading two circuits for ground fault circuit interrupter protection, adhering to the 2 to 4 foot rule, usually costs between $150 and $200. Installing a new 50-amp two-pole range circuit typically costs between $175 and $225. Relocating an existing range circuit with new wiring and a new box can cost between $100 and $150. Adding a new receptacle to an existing line, while adhering to the 2 to 4 foot rule, typically costs between $30 and $50. Replacing an existing outlet with a ground fault circuit interrupter outlet generally costs between $50 and $75. A 200-amp service upgrade usually costs between $1,800 and $2,500. Adding a sub-panel with 4 breakers typically costs between $350 and $500. Miscellaneous electrical work can be billed at an hourly rate, typically ranging from $75 to $125 per hour. These prices are general guidelines. Some prices may need adjustments. For example, a new 50-amp range circuit might be priced between $200 and $250. Relocating a range circuit with existing wiring and a new box might be priced between $120 and $170 based on the complexity of the relocation. A 200-amp service upgrade might be priced between $2,000 and $2,700, especially given current high demand. For travel expenses, you could charge $0.50 to $1 per mile, based on distance and company policy. When providing quotes, it's best to offer a detailed breakdown of materials, labor, and any additional expenses.